Well, let's get you a breaking update as far as BJP leader Amit Malviya is concerned. He is back and countered West Bengal Chief Minister Mamata Banerjee after she put out a social media post demanding that GST on life insurance and medical insurance premium products be rolled back, else she would have no choice but to hit the streets. Now, the BJP IT cell chief has been saying that her outrage is politically motivated as she knows that the states have two-thirds power in the GST Council to make relevant changes. Let me go across to Ankit now. Ankit, good morning. Help us understand the war of words that has been taking place on social media between the two leaders of the TMC and the BJP.
I mean, they're old sparring partners in many ways. So Mamata Banerjee, she said our demand to the government of India is to roll back GST from life insurance and medical insurance premium on grounds of people's health imperatives. This GST is bad because it adversely affects the people's ability to take care of their basic vital needs. If government of India does not roll back the anti-people GST, we will be bound to hit the road. Now, this is an echo of what even within the BJP some have been saying. However, Amit Malviya now counters Mamata Banerjee. He says this outrage is politically motivated. As Chief Minister of West Bengal, you very well know the government of India alone cannot cut GST rates on health and life insurance. That decision lies with the GST Council, where states hold two-thirds power to bring changes. If you are really serious, why not ask Chandrama Bhattacharya, your finance minister, to raise this in the GST meeting? That will prove your real intent. It is amusing how many states want lower GST rates in public but oppose rate cuts in the GST Council meeting, citing revenue loss. Your tweet is mere lip service, devoid of any real substance. By the way, GST has simplified our tax structure, reduced compliance and lessened tax burden on the common man. It is far superior to the VAT regime, which only bred complications and corruption. And then he has shared two tables as well, where it shows what the incidence of tax was on various items before and after GST, to claim that GST is a lower incidence of tax, Amita.
All right. Thank you for that, Ankit. Well, that has been as far as the political war of words, the blame game that has been taking place. Of course, when it comes to the state's finance minister, a very respected reference was also made by the union finance minister while she was addressing the House on the budget.